We are Uncharted Waters, a senior design team from the University of Tennessee, Knoxville in the Tickle College of Engineering. Uncharted Waters has partnered with Alan Foster from Solea Water to address clean water accessibility in rural Panama.
By accounting for global, social, cultural, environmental, and economic factors into our design, we plan to empower Solea's field teams and community members to perform water quality tests that assess potability. The total design of this kit includes water sampling and testing materials for all applicable parameters.
Providing access to clean water is one of 14 grand challenges identified by the National Academy of Engineers. This list was established to identify the greatest issues and opportunities for engineers around the world to enhance quality of life. All challenges fall under four main themes: sustainability, health, security, and joy of living.
To date, the team has identified the most common water sources within the community. From that identification, safety chapters have been written for individuals while sampling, and the team has identified any site-specific hazards for individuals. Following the sampling, testing is necessary and needs to follow applicable standards from Panama's Ministry of Health. Biological, physical, organic, and inorganic parameters have been identified.
All testing parameters are being analyzed based on feasibility and applicability to the region of testing. A cost analysis will occur once all applicable parameters have been identified. Providing exceptional service is not just about getting the project done. The ASCE Book of Knowledge stands as a reminder of the standards we hold ourselves to as we navigate this and future projects. To uphold our ethical responsibilities as future engineers, our team worked endlessly to respect the differences in Panama's culture and society when creating our design.